Hi there, this is our mic 1 hydrodynamic result file. Uh, this is actually a result file of holder drainage model 1G result file. Let's open this result file. See, there are two items. One is water level and another one is discharge. We know in hydrodynamic result file, in the cross-section point, water levels are generated, and in between two water level point, discharge is generated. So, in a model setup where cross-section are given at particular chains, in that chains water level are found in the result file. So we're gonna learn how to extract of the x and y, I mean the coordinate of that chains where cross section was given or the water level uh, uh, are found or water level is achieved by one D hydrodynamic model. Now our concern is only about water level, so just check mark on water level only and click OK. See, this is the result file, and this is our network, Hull network, and this is our peripheral river, and the cross mark, blue cross mark, all are the points where water level have been generated. These are the point actually. In the lower right corner, you can see the coordinate uh, as well. So now we want to extract this coordinate from this result file. All you have to have a batch file. Let me show you the batch file. This is our XYH batch file. If you want to see what inside in a batch file, just click on edit, right click and click on edit. You have to modify according to your result file. If you are using Mic 2022, then the particular path should be in that way. In my PC right now 2014 has been installed, so the path is written this way, and the result file is like this. And if the name of your result file could be different, and that will be changed here, or your result file can be saved anywhere in your drive. Usually I prefer to save the result file at outside of the drive because it's convenient to run, no complexity. Yeah, otherwise you have to change the path in that way if you want to save the result file in a particular location. So all are set. Okay, you have to just double click on this batch file. This is XYH, that means X coordinate, Y coordinate, and the H point. H point means the water level. Double click, boom. A CSV file will be generated automatically. There is XYZ file. CSV means file format, which is comma separated value. It can be opened by Excel. So it is already opened. It has been already opened by Excel file. So if you don't click, it will be opened by Excel. See, all the values are in a single cell. So you have to uh, you have to do some post processing for using purpose. Remove this Actually, we need x, y, and the call chains. So and these two row I don't need. This row is not. The rows are extra, so I have removed from here. Now click on first column, then data, takes two columns. Limit. Okay. Now you can click on fixed width. Now separate your column like this. This is our x, and you should click here to get the y column, and obviously you need the chains and the call name as well. So click here to separate like this. Now next, finish. Okay. Right now I don't delete. Now we have gotten x, y, and the corresponding chains of the call. Suppose this folder 15n/2 the call or kernel. In Bengali it is called kal, and it is practiced in report writing or research or any kind of study. Kal is widely practiced in Bangladesh, so it is same as canal. Canal or kal are similar. It is kal is a Bengali word. Anyway, see, we see the call, chainage, and corresponding x and y. This is how we can extract the coordinates of the chainage water level is generated in the result file. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Share as much as possible with your friends.